Kahalayim Mayahal Bashim Yahushai Bashim Makakudash. Let's see. Got some scriptures ready. And this is about not taking things into your own hands. Because well, I'm on my weekend, right? And the Spirit's been on me lately to make these videos. Because on camp, which was Friday 2 days ago, my brother Elmore said something that got me thinking. It's about we got into theophany, which is God presenting himself to you, or Yahweh presenting himself to you in the forms of chariots and angels and stuff like that. Because, well, I'm going to just let the scripture speak. Romans 12:19, dearly beloved, which is talking about Israelites, avenge not yourselves, but rather give place unto wrath, for it is written, vengeance is mine, I will repay, saith Yahweh Shai. And that's what Yahweh Shai said. Let's get this one. This is 2 Kings 19:35. And it came to pass that night that the angel of Yahweh went out and smote in the camp of the Assyrians 185,000. And when they arose early in the morning, behold, they were all dead corpses. I think that's 180,000. I'm not sure. So Sennacherib, king of Assyria, departed and went and returned and dwelt in Nineveh. So what we have here is a situation that happened. It's captivity, right? Under the Babylonians, or the Assyrians, I mean. So even when it seems like there's no hope, there's always Bashim Yahushai. Alright, so let me get it. This is just more confirmation. Well, let me get over here. This is Tobit 1:21, and there passed not 50 days before two of his sons killed him, and they fled into the mountains of Ararat, and Sarchedonus his son reigned in his stead, who appointed over his father's account and over all his affairs Achiacharus, my brother Ananiel's son. So these were the king's sons that killed him, because it was devastating for them to. Did I put it in? No, I didn't. Alright. And this is just going to speak for itself. 2 Chronicles 33. Oh, I got the wrong one. Should have been 32. That's why it's good to write things down. Second Chronicles 32:21. And then Yahweh sent an angel which cut off all the mighty men of valor and the leaders and captains in the camp of the king of Assyria. So he returned with a shamefaced to his own land. And when he was coming to his and when he was come into the house of his God, they that came forth of his own bowels slew him there with the sword. So that's what happened, because they had all these strong men. It says right here, men of valor and leaders and captains to help keep the Israelites in check. But the angel of the Lord did his thing. This is Ecclesiasticus 48:24. And he saw by an excellent spirit which should come to pass at the last, and he comforted them that mourned in Zion. Right, so what I'm trying to say is you have to let things happen. It's okay to get upset, but Yahushua is going to avenge you. Because if you're mourning, if you're in the house of mourning, that's what he likes to see. Okay, let's see. I think it was First Maccabees 7. And 41. First Maccabees 7:41. O Lord, when they that were sent from the king of the Assyrians blasphemed, thine angel went out and smote 185,000, 185,000 of them. You see, this is to our enemies, though, but we are also subject to that angel. Man. So these Assyrians blasphemed, and everybody that put us into captivity blasphemed, but that was allowed. So this means that we have to be in a constant state of mourning because we're still in captivity, and we are about to get out of here. So let's go back over here. And look at the second book of Maccabees 8:19. So this is just to remind us what happens. I mean, what kind of power we have. Moreover, he recounted second book of Maccabees 8:19. Moreover, he recounted unto them what helps their forefathers had found, and how they were delivered when under Sennacherib, and 185,000 perished. So we gotta be reminded. Let me just get the next verse, verse 20. And he told them of the battle that they had in Babylon with the Galatians, how they came but 8,000 in all to the busyness with 4,000 Macedonians, and that the Macedonians being perplexed, the 8,000 destroyed, and 120,000 because of the help that they had from heaven, and so received a great booty. The Macedonians is just another. Philip the Macedonian started that, right? So Alexander was the son of Philip the Macedonian, so that's what it means. So we will get our help from the heavens, alright? Dearly beloved, avenge not yourselves, but rather give place unto wrath, for it is written, vengeance is mine, and I will repay, said the Lord. Read that again. Romans 12 and 19. Dearly beloved, avenge not yourselves, but rather give place unto wrath, for it is written, Vengeance is mine, I will repay, saith the Lord. Therefore, if thine enemy hunger, feed them. If he thirst, give him drink. For in so doing thou shalt heap coals of fire on his head. Be not overcome of evil, but overcome evil with good. Because we got Yahweh Shem Yahushai to avenge us. So with that, I'm going to say, Shalom.